Hi, my name is Christine from Christine on the Cheap. I am going to try to do my front door doing a little bit something different. It is an 8-foot door, but it's very expensive to do anything with it, like jazz it up in some way, put glass in and things. So I decided that I'm going to change it around to make it a little bit more curb appeal. Okay, what we need for this project is basically two paints that I got. One was from Home Depot and one was at Lowe's, and a paintbrush. You need to buy these. This is about 8 foot. This is flat on the bottom, the edge flat on the bottom, and it's rounded. That's what I wanted, and I also wanted it very small. You may choose to do something different. And then it's only 1 inch on it. What you have to do is basically measure your door and where you actually want to put the trim at. And then what I was going to do with it is actually I put Velcro on the edges of both the edges, and actually I'm going to put it on the door that way. I had actually did a test on it for a couple of days with just a plain piece with the Velcro, and it stayed on very nicely. I did not want to make holes in the metal. It's a metal door that we have. I didn't want to put holes or actually put anything so that it would break the seal for the glass, so the glass didn't get all foggy. Now with the front door, I drew some pictures of ideas that I had for possibly putting in these wooden edgings on it. And we basically, this is like the double doors. This is like a single door, and then we just do the opposite on the other. And then this was an idea too. We basically picked this one, but we even changed this up. When I draw a pattern for something to get an idea, it's a lot easier on me to actually make it on a piece of paper and color it so I can visualize it even better. Okay, this is these are the sticks, and we did cut them somewhat, but you need to cut them on a 45-degree angle because they will be going flush against the window and at an edge, an angle too. So you want to make sure that you are, doing it correctly and at an angle as well. Now with this, our door is this color, so I painted the rounded edge that color, and then and this is all paint that I've had from redoing our house, painting it and things. So I'm just redoing it, just using it that way, using the same materials. And then this from Home Depot, I did the back of it. And then of course I cut the Velcro, which I got from the Dollar Tree, in half. They're little squares, and I stuck them on the ends. And then we can just take off the one cover and then actually stick it onto the glass. Okay. The white goes on the back because that's the other door is white. You have the Velcro here, and you're basically going to make sure that it's 3.5 inches, and then you're going to actually then stick it on. Voila, here we go. That is the front door now, and it cost me about $11.